Good morning children, welcome to today's maths class. So in our last class we have completed about the rules of divisibility. And you must have seen that the chapter division has two parts. So before we move on to 6.2, I would like to do a few sums from the workbook of 6.1. Okay. So all of you take out your workbook and open page number 57. So the first few are multiple choice questions and those will be your homework. So children, from number 1 till number 12 is your homework. From number 1 till number 12 is your homework. You have to do it in the workbook only, but please do it with pencil. Okay. So homework is number 1 to number 12 of the workbook. Page number 57 and 58. Okay, so this is your homework. Now coming to number 13. What is the quotient of 75,148 divided by 14? So in this we simply need to do the multiplication. So what is our question? 75,148 divided by 14. Right? Let's start with the division. 14 is the divisor, so it will be out. 75,148 is the dividend, so it will be inside. Now let's start. First we have to take 75 because 2-digit number. So 7 cannot be divided, so we need 75. So 14 fives is 70. Now when we subtract, we get 5. 1 comes down. Now what is near about 51 in 14's table? 14 4 is 56. That means which will be greater than 51. That means we need to go with 14 3s. So 14 3s is how much children? 14 3 is 42. Now when we subtract, we get a 11 minus 2 gives a 9. 4 minus 4, 0. Now what will come down? 4 will come down. 94. So in 14's table, what do we have which is near about 94? What do we have that is near about? So children, we have 94 and 14 sevens is 98. 14 sevens is 98. So can we take 14 sevens? No. So we have to go for the before one. We have to take 14 6 Now 14 6 is how much? 14 6 is 84. So we have 10 108. Right? We have 108. Now 14 7 is how much? 14 7 is 98. And what is 14 8 14 8 is 112. 14 8 is 112. So we need to take what? 14 7 98. So 10 becomes our remainder. 10 becomes our remainder. But here, what is asked? What is the quotient? What is the quotient of 75,148? So our quotient will be 5367. This will be our answer. This will be our answer, children. Okay? Now let's do number 14. Before that, let me just clear the board. I guess this one should be quite easy. Let's just see what is the question. What is the remainder when 60,000 is divided by 5? Now, if you follow the divisibility rules of 5, what is the divisibility rule of 5? That if the digit in one's place is 0, then that number will be divisible by 5 or not. If the digit in one's place is 0 or 5, it will be divisible by 5. So, in number 14 we are having 60,000 divided by divided by 5, and they have asked us what is the remainder. What is the remainder, children? If it is divisible by 5, what will be the remainder? Even without doing it, we know that we can simply write, since the digit in ones place of 60,000 is 0, therefore 60,000 is divisible by 5. Therefore, remainder, what will be the remainder if it is divisible, children? The remainder will be 0. We don't even need to do the sum for this. We just know that since it is divisible, the remainder will be 0. Next we have divide 52,725 by 22. Check the correctness of the division. Now this is something that we will actually need to do. In my last class I have taught you how to check if the division that you have done is correct or not. So today we have got a question also. So let us do. So what is the question, children? Question number 15. 52,725 divided by 22. Okay. So now let's do the sum. I'm quite ready now. Okay. So since the 22 is our divisor, so 22 moves out. 52,725. Now 22. So first we obviously not 5. So we have to take 52. So 22 2 ja is 44. Now let's do the subtraction. 2 minus 4. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 will be how much? 12 minus 4 will be 8. Right? 12 minus 4 will be 8. Now 1 gone from there. So we have 4 minus 4, 0. Next, 7 comes down. Now, let's just see. 22, 1s are 22. 2s are 44. Since 2 2s are 44. So, 22 2s is, since 2 2s are 4. So, 22 into 2 is equal to 44. 22 into 3 will be 66. 22 into 4 will be 88. But here we have 87. So, we will have to take 3. 66. Now, when we divide, we get a 1, 2. We get a 21. Now, this 2 comes out. Now, you see children, 22. Now, this is quite a large number, right? So, we know that 22 into 10 will give us how much? It will give us 220. Right? It will give us 220, which is greater than this. So, we will simply do with 9. 9 2 ja 18. 1 carry, 9 2 ja 18, 19, 198. Now, this is that which is smaller. So, 9 ja 198. We subtract again. 12 minus 8 is 4. 0. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now what comes down? 5 comes down. 145. 145. So, now children, we need 14. Basically we need 14 and 8 2 ja is how much? 16. So we should go for, what should we go for? Should we go for 7? 7 2 ja is 14. Which is exactly this, 14. So let's try out with 7, though I am pretty sure that we will have to go one more number down. So 2 7 ja 14, 1 carry, 14, 15, 154. This does not work, so what will work? 22 into 6, 6 2 ja 12, 1 carry, 6 2 ja 12, 13, 6 ja 132. So 5 minus 2 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 minus 1 0. So what is the remainder? 13. So in this one we have got, let me just, children, please do the rough work, okay? Children, make sure you do the rough work. Obviously, I will be providing the notes in the Google Classroom. So, what is the question? Question is 2396 and our remainder is 13. Now, what they have told? They have told that we need to check if our division is correct or not. So, let's just check. After you have written this, then you will write down, okay? Check. So what is the formula for checking if our division is correct? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Right? This. So what is our divisor? 22. What is the quotient? 2396 plus remainder is 13. Now I am going to rub this 2 from here. Is 13. So what do we need to do? We need to first multiply 2396. 2396 into 22. So 2 6 ja 12. 1 carry, 2 9 ja 18, 19, 1 carry, 2 3 ja 6, 7, 2 2 ja 4 into 4792. Won't it be the same? Because we are multiplying with the same number. So obviously it will be the same. Cross out 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5. Plus 7 will be how much? 12. 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5. So we have 52712 plus 13. So let's do the plus 13. Plus 13. So we have 3 plus 2 5. 1 plus 1 2. 7 2 5. So our answer comes 52725. Now is this similar to the dividend that we have got? 52725. Exactly same. So we write here dividend, hence checked. Hence checked. Okay children, I hope this is very very clear to you. Okay, now let's see the next one. Divide number 16. Divide 80,432 by 16. Check the correctness of the division. So children, I guess I will give you this one also for your homework, right? Because you have already done it, and you can submit me your homework. When will you need to submit me your homework? You will have to submit me your homework on, let's say, Sunday. Okay, 6th of September. So you are having, today is 1st of September. You can submit me your homework on 6th of September. So you are having a lot of time, and it will hardly take 10 minutes because 1 to 12 are just multiple choice questions and one line answers, and 16 is the only one which you have to do a proper sum. You have to do a proper division and then check the correctness also. Okay children, so thank you and have a great day, and do copy down the notes from the PDF file that will be shared in your Google Classroom. Thank you so much, and do not forget to keep practicing maths.